Hapren ki khubor jiki stat biang ka klam COVID-19 lingba variant JN1 hakiwe ki banta kari India commentary bade khmi ekatanat ka kot ka khia jong Sorkar Meghalaya ka Dr. Mazel Amprin lingdo hak arpoi tarik unno pra arja arpulai kala kentui ki nong song Shillong Jylla bakin long ki husiar bat shim ya kalat ban yadad daladi yaladi Nak bapentip bakla don kejeng kran berkatanat ka kot ka khia jong Sorkar India kalau ong bau new variant bathamai da dayu bakta jur henry kejeng pan kre ban yadad kala don lupa Nakaliang jong katanat ka koi ka khia Sorkar Jylla hagajing Bthah ikipat ba ban husiar kalaong baka integrated disease surveillance program kadang yayit benya bat kampat don kajing Kiew ne kajing pang ka bakta ya kajing ring bat kajing pen herman sim Henry namar kajing don ki kam lek men lek ngobha hakum kani kapor la Bthah pat ikipat ba ban deng ya ki ma sagi jaka pat ba ban kiar na kajing yelom pat ba bat ban smart pan sat kiti kitu ibadon hakamat ka badon jing stam ki haban kham husiar shu
again this anxiety and anxiousness at this point of time with information and news coming in from certain parts of the country and the world where there is this sudden upsurge of COVID cases again. The variant JN.1 is this new variant, but even the WHO has categorically said that it does not expect that this variant will be a cause of major health concerns. However, because Kerala has had some deaths and cases already reported, Karnataka, West Bengal, these are the few states where there has been the record of tests indicating this JN.1 variant in these states. Yesterday, the Honorable Union Minister of the Government of India, Health Minister, had indicated that we were going to have a review on this matter, and we all met online at 10 a.m. yesterday. And in this meeting, we were advised as states to take reviews on this matter. So I requested officers to be here this morning. We are prepared. We as a state have re-alerted systems in the districts especially to ensure that if and when there could be any cause of concern, systems are in active order. We have 0 cases indicated as of yesterday, the 19th of December. We do not want to cause alarm. This JN.1 new variant that is there in SARS-CoV indicates that symptomatic citizens need to take necessary care. If you have high comorbidity situations, please make sure that if you're in a public place, wear your mask. To be extra careful, increase ventilations in your homes. And whenever there is this huge gatherings and all that, take necessary precautions just for a precaution. The WHO also indicates that this flu-like variant is going to be there, especially in places where there is severe winter. So like any other flu, during the winter, precautions need to be taken, and by the looks of it, in the previous strains, government of Meghalaya and the citizens of Meghalaya seem to have already attained that herd immunity. So I do not expect it to go out of hand, and I reiterate, no cases indicated. Testing is an ongoing process in all facilities, all health facilities. In fact, now it has become mandatory even before surgery. So your entire battery of tests anyways goes on in every institution. Now, I also discussed, since queries were coming to me as the health minister from individual quarters, whether or not vaccines will be made available. We have already discussed just now that vaccines will be made available on payment because we do not see any major community threat. And we believe that those who wish to take a booster because they are traveling or because of some requirement can do so. I have requested the drug society to immediately evaluate what are the kinds of vaccines that we can procure, and on payment these can be made available to the public. And I reiterate, we can all expect that this should not be such a major threat or health scare like it was during the pandemic years. And I reassure the citizens of the state of Meghalaya on behalf of the government of Meghalaya that we are prepared, we are ready, tests are ongoing. The Pastures Institute is also taking extra necessary precaution on this matter. Testing goes on every day, and we should not have much of a problem. As a general procedure, send out necessary SOPs for citizens, especially those having flu-like symptoms. You know, if you have severe headache, severe backache, high fever, please go and test, so that as and when you test and you know, then you can also take necessary precautions. So that SOP will be driven out today, and we will request citizens to be responsible, to take responsible actions, and to ensure that there is safety for all around you. I do not wish that the people should get into a panic situation. Do not panic. That's very critical for people to understand. Yes, there is a new variant. Yes, we will not refute that. Whether or not that will be a big problem, no.